Julian's mother left us. Or I don't know, something. I wasn't listening. Like 2 hours ago, she said, leaving. So me and Julian had some fun. It's 11, so he's been playing for like 4 hours already, which means that's his record. Yeah, the world record. Anyways, it's time to clean the mess that we did. And it actually gave me an idea. In order for you to understand, what does it take for a wheelchair person to do the basic, like everyday tasks? I'll just show it to you instead of just talking about it. Because usually I'm just talking, right? It's better for you to see it instead of just listening to it. What I would love you to understand, to keep in mind, to be aware of, is that for people like us, it always takes way longer to do even a simple task. We need to consider things before even starting doing those. Like for example, if I grab something and put it on my laps to take it to the other room, I can't have anything on my way. Like there can be nothing on the ground because I won't be able to pick it up. You're following me, right? So if I'm having something on my laps, I can't lean forward to pick anything from the ground. If I'm getting off the chair to grab something that I can't grab one-handedly, I need to optimize it, so I don't get on and off the chair constantly because it's exhausting. So when I'm on the ground, I'm trying to do everything I can to not get on the ground ever again. What else? I can grab 1 or 2, maybe 3 items at the same time. I can put something on my laps. I can grab something in my hand. And if I do, I need to find myself a spot that I can push myself off it, like a couch or a cupboard or a countertop, whatever. Because using one hand only, I'm not able to go straight. I'm technically unable to go anywhere. Thank you. So me personally, I have to keep all of that in mind before I even start, calculate and plan everything beforehand. I'll make it a bit of a real-time video, so it's going to be a boring one. But from the other hand, I can't make it too long because I'm running out of storage on my phone. Once again, I really need to sacrifice a day or two to do something about it. So during the weekend maybe, I don't know. What else? Yeah, that's it. Let's start cleaning. I would lie if I would say that I'm doing it on a daily basis. I mean, I'm cleaning it, getting rid of it, but in most cases, I'm just leaving everything. Oh my God. But most of the days, I'm just leaving everything in this corner. I promised myself that I won't have a mess in my house when I'll have a kid, and my plan works worse and worse. I was doing it on a daily basis at the very beginning, but now I'm doing it like every 3rd, 4th day. So according to this statistics, one day I won't just do anything about it. I'll just leave everything on the ground. No, but the truth is I can't. I mean, as a wheelchair person, I need that room. The more, the better. So in the future, I'll probably grab a broom or a mop and I'll just swipe everything to one corner so I'll have that free space to move around. Anyway, yeah, let's do some more. According to my watch, it was 14 minutes. Well, just generally way longer than what, for example, my girlfriend does. Obviously, I didn't have to clean it. But for some reason, I don't feel very well when I'm waking up, getting into a living room, and it's messy, you know? I mean, it still is. I'm still having some stuff in here that I could clean. But I will leave it for another episode then. Alright, thanks for watching this boring video of me doing absolutely nothing for 14 minutes. I mean, it's not going to be that long, right? The video is not going to be that long. I will just cut it. Or maybe I won't, and if I'll become a mainstream YouTuber one day, I'll just put a lot of ads in the video. Yeah, it will be spammed like every 30 seconds. There will be an advertisement. And this video will go viral and I will earn millions of it. Right, once again, thanks for watching. I got scared that I didn't turn my mic on. Oh my god. Bye bye.